Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks projects. First, navigate to the Projects tab in your QuickBooks online account. This central hub allows you to oversee all your client work in one place. You can easily add new projects, linking them to existing customers, or creating new ones as needed. This setup ensures that all financial activities related to a specific job are consolidated, providing a clear picture of profitability from the start. It's a powerful tool for organized financial management. To set up a new project, click the New Project button and fill in the essential details. This includes the project name, the associated customer, and the start date. Crucially, you can enter estimated income and costs, which helps in budgeting and setting financial goals for the project. You can also assign specific team members, allowing for precise tracking of their time and expenses directly against the project. This detailed setup is vital for maintaining financial control and understanding project scope. Once your project is set up, you can begin linking all relevant transactions. This means attaching invoices, expenses, and even time entries directly to the project. This integration allows you to continuously monitor your actual costs against your initial estimates, helping you identify any deviations early. You can also create progress invoices, ensuring you bill clients accurately as different phases of the project are completed. This real-time tracking is essential for maintaining healthy cash flow and project profitability. QuickBooks Projects offers robust reporting features to help you analyze your project's financial health. You can generate comprehensive reports that detail project profitability, showing you a clear breakdown of income, costs, and gross profit margins. These insights are invaluable for making informed decisions about future projects and improving your overall business strategy. Understanding which projects are most profitable allows you to focus your resources effectively. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.